Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about Taker protocol airdrop. The airdrop status is already confirmed, so if you actually participate in all these procedures I'm about to show you right now, you're likely to claim out this particular airdrop. Alright, now this airdrop has about 3 different portals we can earn with. We have the Taker Sowing, we have point farming, and as well Taker protocol Testnet. All you have to do guys is just to make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And in case you're visiting us for the first time or are not yet subscribed, kindly do well to give this video a thumbs up. Then you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to also you always get notifications of important videos like this. Alright, now this particular airdrop guys has raised over $3 million. You can see right here it has raised over $3 million. And one interesting thing is that wallet submission has already started. If you check out their X account, over here is their X page and they have over 534k followers. So if you actually check one of their recent tweets, you discover they said GM takers wallet collection happening on Discord today, don't miss it. Take the leap, Bitcoin should be at everyone. All right, and about 3 months ago guys, we actually talked about this Taker airdrop. If you check out our channel right here, you discover that about 3 months ago we talked about Taker protocol airdrop right here. So if you actually watched it, you must have gotten started with it. All right, now I'm going to show you in detail how to get started as beginner and up to the point of claiming this airdrop free of charge. All right, you do not have to invest any single thing. And once you click on the link I placed in the description box of this video, it's going to take you straight to this site. Now, like I said guys, we have 3 different portals you can use to earn. We have the Taker Sowing, point farming, and as well Testnet. Now this started on this date, and this started on 2nd of January 2025. This started back then in 2024. So I'm going to start with this first one that says Taker Sowing. All right, and once you click on the link I placed in the description guys, it's going to lead you straight to this particular site. Over here guys, you can see Sowing. All you have to do once you get here is just to go ahead and connect your wallet. It's that simple. That's the first thing you have to do. Once you come up here, click on this one that says connect wallet, then you select your preferred EVM wallet. Now once you get to this page guys, the next thing you have to do is just very simple. Come up here and claim out these Taker points every 3 hours. All right, then in case you want to earn faster in this particular site, then you have to make deposit. This one, click on this one that says increase daily rewards. Once you click on it, this page is going to come up. So all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and make deposits of Bitcoin. Then you stand the chance of increasing your earnings up to 100 diamonds per 3 hours. All right, besides that, you can also come up here and invite your friends and earn higher diamonds on this particular site. This is going to earn you about 10% of whatever they earn. All right, then once you're done with that, you still come down here guys and complete some social tasks and as well claim out the points attached to it. And that will be it on this particular portal, which is the Taker Sowing. The next one guys is the one that is called the point farming, which is still open. So once you select this one, then you discover that all you have to do guys is just to head over to the site. Once you head over to the site, you go ahead, connect your X account and start mining your points. All right, you start mining your points. It's very simple. I'm going to show you how to get started with it. Once you click on the link I placed in the description box of this video for point farming, it's going to lead you straight into this particular site. And once you successfully activate the miner guys, every single 24 hours you just have to come up here and activate it once again. All right, then if you scroll down a bit, you discover that this is your referral dashboard. All you have to do is just to go ahead and invite friends. Once you invite friends, you'll be able to earn more points. Then if you continuously scroll down guys, you discover some social tasks you have to perform and still claim out the points attached to each. You can see them all listed down here. So come up here and complete all these tasks. All right, now you still have some X tasks you have to perform, just like daily tasks. Every single day you come up here, you just have to use this task right here guys to boost up your earnings here on this light mining airdrop. All right, now if you do this every single time, you'll be able to accumulate as many points as possible, and that will help you boost your airdrop during the listing period. And now the last portal to earn with, which is this one that says Taker protocol Testnet, started back then in 2024. All you have to do, guys, is just to make use of the link I placed in the description box of this video. It's going to lead you straight to the particular site. All right, now once you get there, guys, the only thing you have to do is just to go ahead and connect your wallet and claim some Testnet tokens. After claiming some Testnet tokens, you just go ahead and go to the website and connect your Metamask and Unisat wallet. Then you make some deposits to Taker Testnet, then withdraw some funds back. Now remember, the tokens you're withdrawing from this is actually tokens you got from Taker faucet. All right, it's not actual money, it's not real money, so you're not depositing anything on this site. It's just the Testnet tokens you got from this particular one. All right, the Taker faucet. Now once you're done adding some liquidity, you just go ahead and make some swaps. Swap Taker token to either USDC or USDT. Once you're done with that, you go ahead and add to the liquidity pool, and that's just it. All right, remember, every single link you need, guys, is going to be in the description box of this video. So all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and check out the video description and you're good to go. Now about the wallet verification talked about on their X page, this you see it right here. I've showed you before. Now about the verification talked about on their X page, all you have to do, guys, is just to head over to Discord. But at the moment they've posted the verification, you can see this notice right here on their account, Taker Protocol. Now many new users have joined solely for account verification and address addition, but they are not genuinely active members of the community. Therefore, we have decided to discontinue the address collection for verified users. All right, so at the moment, guys, you can no longer verify your address, but then every other detail concerning this verification is going to come later on this channel. So all you have to do, guys, is just to stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to also always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, then I also need you guys to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you have questions to ask, all you need to do, guys, is just to go ahead and drop it down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to your questions immediately. Remember, this airdrop is confirmed, guys, and you do not want to miss out on this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.